Well, it is the ass crack of fucking nighttime. It's about 11:30 at night. I have been chopping it up with Black Widow Supra for probably a couple months now. We've been fucking talking back and forth. And he hit me up and asked if I wanted to crash the night before for the LZ meet. And I literally just got into bed and I was just like, yes. What up, pups? Nothing. They're so stoked.
Yeah, they're like, we don't want to get up.
Like, we don't give a shit about your fucking garbage ass meat. We don't care about your meat.
We don't give a fuck.
This is bullshit.
Bullshit.
I fucking hate you guys. Stop leaving us in here. No thing. This dude can't park for fucking shit. What a fucking asshole. And you're an Uber driver? Oh my God. Fuck you. She's like, no.
I know. It's too early.
You want to take one?
Yeah, you can take him if you want. Go with him, buddy.
Out here with Titan. Jesus.
I don't basically like get this bad. I might wiggle it a little though.
Before all the fucking chaos starts.
I think what really made me accept the car more was I got to talk to Tada-san, who designed it.
Yep.
And I just grilled him with questions, you know?
I talked to him.
And he was super cool.
Detroit Auto Show.
Yeah. And I was like, so tell me, like, why you chose this motor and blah, blah, blah. And he goes, well, had we developed our own motor, the car would have been like 150, you know, price.
Yeah.
So he's like, we didn't want to get NSX'd, you know, like bringing back a new Japanese legend and then be like, oh, nobody can buy it.
Well, I mean, it was even the same thing with the GTR. They fucking took it out of everybody's price range.
Right, but and also what a lot of people didn't talk about was that they brought the motor back to Japan and tore down the entire thing and found everything they didn't like about it and then put new stuff in it. Yeah. So I like that too. But I mean, when you get in, like Adam's white one, it feels like a 2J with a new transmission. Like it really does.
That's why I picked this one. It's the inline 3, but with twin turbos.
Right.
They should have called it something else. I feel like they called it
that was my theory too. I thought they should call it the Celica or something like that.
That'd have been
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
But I understand that brand power does magical things. So. Oh, I love those.
That was the first modification I did.
So I gotta ask, is it actually handy? Like, do you see it in your peripheral vision?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Take that
You want-
off
Yeah.
for you to be comfortable. It's all good. Because
You know what's funny is the M2. People always ask me what my favorite BMW is, and it's usually the M2.
Yeah.
Because it just it feels.
Start it up.
It feels way more like.
I'm taller than you. Sorry.
Oh, I'll swag it. You know? It feels way more like. Oh, that's cool. Ferrari 360. You're like, this is awful. Like, cause you'll hit the pedal and it goes, oh. Yeah, but then you drive this and you can focus more on just driving.
The Aventador feels like that too.
Oh, it's rough. The first gen.
The first gen is
First gen's rough.
Have you ever felt the T56 short throw?
Yes, it's rad. I had one in a Terminator I drove.
I have the T56.
So next to the shift, you'll see a power button. Push that. Yeah, push that all the way down until it turns blue.
Okay.
Now push the next button down.
This one?
Yep.
Oh, what is that?
Yeah, that's
You
in the
have nitrous?
that's in the trunk. You want to take a look?
What? I didn't even. That's sick. Whoa, that is wild.
It's not nitrous.
It's not nitrous.
I know it wasn't, but like it didn't make the same noise. I was
Well,
like,
it's also empty too.
okay.
It's also to scare
So,
people.
oh, is it just?
It's definitely an intimidation factor when I pull up to
Okay.
somebody and yeah.
Yeah. That's so funny.
It's a smart move, though.
Yeah.
Make them fuck up off
I love how it's just non-flammable. Like,
Yeah.
it's not-
So a cop pulled me over for it, and he's like, "You're running nitrous?" And I'm like, "No."
No.
And he's like, "You know you can't have bottles in your car, right?" I'm like, "It's a fire suppression system." And he's like,
okay.
"You're full of shit." I'm like, "That's what it is." He's
Yeah.
like, "Fuck, I can't give you a ticket now."
No. That's super neat, though.
And then, did you see the window?
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
You have a Toyota on that?
I didn't even notice.
No, I lost to the 5th gen.
You lost me. You beat me.
On a flipping clutch.
That's okay.
I have so many people with hurt feelings on this shit.
Yeah, oh, I bet. Well, I mean, this thing's back halving is wild. Like, the top
Yeah.
end of it's
Yeah, the top end's good. I mean, I've maxed this out at about 175.
that's hauling ass, dude.
I like how you have Gixxer.
Yeah, Gixxer is on video.
Oh, wait, I want to know, what's the one on the bottom?
Bottom left,
That one.
the SS.
Yeah.
Every fucking Camaro, you mean?
Super slow.
Yeah.
That's SS?
No, that's
No,
a
that's the snack packs.
Okay.
My snack packs.
Oh my
You want me
god.
to turn it off for you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
So what was the hardest? The 350? The 350?
Which one?
GT?
No.
No.
Actually,
No.
my hardest one was the. I've lost to a CTSV.
The GT350s aren't that fast straight line. They're just really fun to rev out. and everything.
They're really good. Yeah, but I've beaten bikes.
Unbelievable.
I've definitely beaten
It's
bikes.
so
so
awesome.
sexy. It's so
no,
sexy.
did you see that kid?
Yes.
Wearing like a 1060 stock?
Yes.
I was like,
He's the first person to get one, and he bought two. Like Californians.
It's a herd of people. This is like The Walking Dead. Got The Walking Dead coming.
We have the zombies coming.
Zombie apocalypse. Oh fuck.
It's the end of the world.
Son of a bitch.
Like you feel old when you start singing, but it's the end of the world as we know it.
Oh my god.
Jesus, here
I'm
they
glad
come.
I'm glad I didn't wear that check engine light shirt.
I know.
I have like 2 of them. I know there's gonna be like at least 50 of them here.
I wonder how many people are gonna have their iPhone or want to be like a wannabe vlogger.
That's fucked up. I got my iPhone as a wannabe vlogger. Fucking cocksucker.
No, guys.
You guys see the zombie apocalypse?
I really wish I could.
DOT.
Send it.
You can't have it here. You can't have it here. It's a 25-year lock.
Send it.
No.
Send it.
It's not the time.
The crowd is in the wrong spot.
All the famous people are over there.
No, fucking 2-step that bitch.
No.
God
Too
damn
early.
it.
It's too early. It's gotta be like 3 inches. Oh my god.
It's about damn time. Kyle. Kyle.
Oh!
It's about time.
Cal, you're gonna have to film with my camera.
Show me how to work that shit.
It's easy. You're just gonna press record.
Give
and
me that
film.
shit. Just give me that shit.
Tell them it's gonna take 15 minutes to warm up. Like it's gonna take a minute. Like it's not.
No, it's fine.
Hey, you heard, don't lose an eyebrow. You be all right. You got this, man. Yeah, it is. I'll be out front. Grab me, give me your
I
camera.
have to go back there.
You want me to be back?
Yeah.
I fucking hate you.
So when you do it, I do this.
Yep. I'll do it. I'll be in the back. Go ahead.
Make sure you get the flames and the people.
Got it. And on my way home. That was fucking fun. Hope you guys enjoyed.